Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Okay, so I was talking about it, now I want to do it. Chenille poinsettias. Poinsettias? Poinsettias? I don't care. I don't care how you say it. That's what we're doing. I have enough pipe cleaner left in red to make one, I think. I think I have enough left. So let's see. We're going to say I do. And then I got one bloody green one left because, you know, your poinsettia needs leaves. I think I have just enough left. My poinsettia, however you want to say it, needs leaves. So I did save one green pipe cleaner to make leaves. I have never done this before. Are you surprised? I mean, surprised? Is anyone surprised that I'm going to do it anyway? You shouldn't be, because I just keep trying stuff, guys. I'm just going to keep trying stuff. And then if I'm not happy with it, we just move on with our lives. So for these, I'm going to actually cut the pipe cleaner in half. So I have enough sections here. So this one is a wild card because I had used it on a different project. So we have what we have, and we're going to work with it. I'm going to work with what we have. So I'm cutting them in half so that there are two sections on each one. And then I have created from a black bead and some sequins. So there's two sequins and a black bead, the center for the poinsettia. Poinsettia, and I am cutting the green one in half, and Lord help me because it's the only green one I've got. It's now cut in half. All right, there are leaves, and I'm going to get you guys situated so you can see what I'm doing, see what I'm working on. Then we're going to make a flower, and I might put a pin on it and add it to my coat. Why not? All right. So what I'm going to do is wire all these together. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it. Again, there's no one around to teach me, but these have to be together in some way, shape, or form, right? And since they already, you know, have the ability to stick together, if you just wire them, then why do it another way? I think I'm gonna do like this because I want them on the same side for the leaves. Right, and then I'm just going to twist them together. I need to just twist the ends. I don't want them to actually twist around themselves because I want them to be thick, not spirally. See how that one got spirally? I just want them thick. So I'm just going to twist the ends. Yeah, and they must have been thicker chenille back in the day. Okay, they're really cute. Let's twist those. Okay, untwist that. So I want that flat, not wide. And actually, oh, definitely needs more leaves. If you have more red pipe cleaners, use more red pipe cleaners. I would have liked 2 more here. I mean, I could just stick that one on there. And then as my centerpiece, I'm going to put that. Yeah, I definitely need to leave that one on there. I need more. I need more pipe cleaners. Well, darn. Okay, we're going to glue it up. Let's just twist that on there just to make that thicker. Ah, come on, stay. I want more beads. Beads. That's someone's earring. Wait, we got this. We got this. We got this. We'll do this. All right. That's what we got. All right, we're going to use what we got. We're using up what we've got. I have 1 bloody glue stick. Okay. Why, when you have to put a second stick in, does it never want to go right? All right. just need one more bead. Come on. We gotta have one more bead. It's a big one, but we got one more bead. Yes, yes. It's the same size as the one on the other side. Ta-da! Okay, so I cleaned up all of the glue strings and I used my needle nose pliers to twist the ends under. I don't hate it, but you know what? I'm not going to wear it. Note to self, make sure you have extra pipe cleaners. Like, I probably could have doubled the amount of pipe cleaners. Like, maybe like 5 or 6 would have made this a nice full flower. I am probably going to put this on a package. I'm not going to lie. I think this would be super cute on a gift. So I'm going to put this, I think, on one of Victoria's gifts. That's my project for today, you guys. I don't hate it. No lie, I don't hate this one. I think I want to buy a bunch of red and green to do proper ones for next year, and then maybe a package of beads so I don't have to struggle to find the right beads. I like the cluster of beads better than just having the disc in the center. I think I should make a few for packages next year. They're kind of cute. Then they don't take any time at all. You guys watched me make it. It doesn't take any time to just make these up, but they're kind of cute. I think it'd be fun for packages instead of a ribbon. It's like an alternative for a ribbon. But I've got a bunch of different colors. I don't have red. I could just make some random flowers for packages. I got to use these up somehow, so if anybody has any suggestions on what to do with the rest of these, I'm all ears. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy crafting. Happy chunking. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.